the Budgetarian Tech Reviews. My name is Mimi and sasamahan ko kayong mag-check ng mga gamit at gadgets na pang home office na pasok sa inyong budget. Kaya naman kung bago kayo dito sa ating page or dito sa ating channel, please consider subscribing or following us. Okay, so another day, another phone review tayo, guys. And humahataw talaga tong si POCO phones recently sa kanilang mga pangwakas na phones. So today, we will be looking into one of their hugely popular X series. So as you know, I've been using my POCO X3 GT for the past year and so far, hindi niya ako binigo in any level. And now nga, meron na silang next in line, which is the POCO X4 GT. So a lot of the fans are really looking forward dito sa phone na to, especially dun sa mga gamers and sa mga performance chasers. So, is hype real nga ba? Check natin yan today, kaya samahan niyo ako i-unbox and i-review itong pinadala sa atin ni POCO na POCO X4 GT. This comes in the mini case. Ayan, open natin siya and we will be greeted with the black box. So you have there the POCO X4 GT, and then if we lift this, we will be greeted with the yellow POCO color with their logo. So ito yung ating small box. And if we check the small box and open it, we will see, of course, the SIM ejector pin. We will also have there the warranty card, the safety information guide, and our quick start guide, and meron din tayo nung ating jelly case. Ayan. Here we will also see the main unit itself with the main features on the covers. Under the unit, we will find yung 67-watt turbo charger nila. And then, of course, we also have the USB-C data and charging cable. Ayan siya, guys. And I can notice that this is as thick as the F4 one that we just recently unboxed as well. So, empty na to, guys, sa box. Let's go ahead and check the unit itself. And so guys, this unit only weighs 200 grams. First time ni POCO na mag-explore at i-introduce itong aspect ratio na to sa kanilang mga phones. Ayan, so super comfortable nito guys, hawakan. Even if you're holding it with just one hand, wala siyang any kind of bulky feel. For the back cover, you can see that this has like an understated shiny gradient look. Similar ito dun sa M4 Pro 5G, if I'm not mistaken. Parang matted, semi-matted look yung kanyang design. So, it gives up a little flare if you swivel it around the light. Alright, on the back, we'll also see there the camera. So, this is a 64MP main camera with 8MP ultra-wide lens and 2MP macro lens. Syempre, meron din tayo nung dual tone flash. And to be honest guys, gusto ko tong design ng camera ni POCO X4 GT. So, nakaangat siya and mounted siya dun sa parang dark silver guys na background. So, it looks really nice for me and I think this is one of the best designs for their camera. For me ha. But let me know what you guys think. Ayun nga. And this guys comes in the color silver, black, and blue. So we got the black one. Ayan. And then flipping the phone around. This is a 6.6 inches LCD screen. Corning Gorilla Glass 5 na ito guys. Flat lang yung screen niya with the 20MP punch hole selfie camera at the center. And dito naman guys, sa gilid, dark gray siya na matted yung kanyang frame. And then let's start on this side. We have there the side-mounted fingerprint sensor over the power button together with the volume rockers. On top, makikita natin dyan yung IR blaster niya for remote control, the microphone, yung kanyang speaker, and nasa taas yung kanyang 3mm jack. On the other side, siguro isa po sa mga changes from the X3 is wala na yung kanyang SIM port here on this side. They moved it to the bottom. So you cannot see anything here on the left side. Pagdating sa bottom, we'll have there the SIM card tray, ang ating microphone again, the USB-C port, and the other part of our speakers. Ayan. So, yung SIM card tray niya, guys, hindi siya expandable na memory, but it's a dual SIM tray. So, you can put 2 SIM cards in here, micro SIM cards. And so guys, si POCO X4 GT has one of the most anticipated chipset this year, which is the MediaTek 8100. So considered kasi siya na one of the most powerful pero efficient na chipset on the market. So POCO X4 GT also comes in liquid cooled technology 2.0, which means na itong phone na to kaya niyang mag-handle heavy multitasking and yet still deliver peak performance. Ayan guys, so the memory comes in 8GB plus 128GB of storage. And the other one comes in 8GB pa rin plus 256GB of storage. And nagbuboot na rin siya guys sa MIUI 3. So Android 12 na to guys. Again, this is a 6.6-inch LCD with a resolution of 2460 by 1080 pixels. Meron siyang refresh rate of up to 144Hz. So even higher than most of the flagship phones that you see in the market right now. Meron din itong touch sampling rate up to 270Hz. The screen also has true color display and Dolby Vision. Yung brightness niya is at 500 nits, peaking at 650 nits. So with all those features guys, itong si X4 GT has one of the best LCD screens in the market. So POCO has certainly pushed the LCD game or function on this particular phone. For the front camera, this is a 20MP front camera. Meron na siyang aperture na 2.45. Ayan. Meron na din siyang beautify. Meron na rin siyang filters. So, pwede kayong pumili kung anong bet nyo. They also have the portrait mode if you want your background to be blurred. Pagdating sa video guys, you can record up to 1080 pixels at 60 frames per second. So definitely clear siya for like Zoom meetings or Google Meets. Ayan. Alright, pagdating naman guys sa kanyang rear camera, again, this has a 64MP main camera with an aperture of 1.89, meaning you can definitely use this even in low light settings. So, meron din siyang 8MP for ultra-wide shots. Ang zoom niya is from 0.6 to 10 times zoom. One of the things that I really like about the X series is marami siyang mga functions sa kanilang camera, like yung clone, long exposure if you want to capture yung mga blurred scenes or yung mga stars sa gabi, or even like make a light painting, meron nandito sa kanilang phone. You can even change the sky from your picture, so maganda siya guys. And pagdating naman guys sa mga pictures, good clarity naman siya. So napaka-versatile nitong camera ni POCO X4 GT, and this can definitely take on the job as your daily shooter. So pagdating sa speakers guys, meron siyang dual speakers. So magpa-play tayo ng sound so we can check on the audio.
And they have pictures.
Oh yeah? Of who?
Of us!
What? Oh no! What do you do?
Okay, stay calm.
So far sa sound niya, malakas siya. Same with the previous predecessor niya, which is the X3 GT. The volume is really loud and clear. And yung bass niya hindi masyadong matugong, but it's fine for a phone. It doesn't really matter. But if you're gonna use it for gaming, definitely, it's gonna provide a good gaming experience pagdating sa audio.
Set the rule and no suck Suckers allowed to break bread or asunder. The daylight, lightning, and the thunder. Sun, moon, stars, and the hunger. Abundance. Attaboy!
Ayan, pagdating guys sa performance, the highest resolution are available for both Genshin Impact and Asphalt 9. Even if we have multiple apps open, like me, I use my phone mostly for Google Drive, for editing photos, videos, and for watching videos as well. So even with all those processes open, definitely okay naman siya. The POCO X4 GT has a 5080 mAh battery. So, napakalaking battery niyan guys, which can last you for hours. And it is paired with the 67-watt turbo charger. Is already 100% in just 46 minutes. Imagine that guys. So, sa ibang brands in this segment, usually kapag mabilis yung charger, they usually sacrifice the battery. Medyo maliit. But for POCO X4 GT, meron na siyang malaking battery, meron pa siyang mabilis na charger. So definitely, they push the limits again with the battery and the charger combination. Okay, so final thoughts on my impression for the POCO X4 GT. I like its appearance. Definitely an upgrade from the last one. Elegant yung finish niya. Even the camera looks good. All the features, I would definitely recommend this for those heavy users ng phone. Sa mga gamers, for me who's editing videos and photos, or for people who generally use their phone all throughout the day. Ang laki ng battery nito guys is gonna last you for hours and for the whole day. Ayan. So guys, ito yung POCO X3 GT ko and then this is the X4 GT. Do I like it better than my daily phone? I guess you'll just have to find out. We'll make another video of comparison. Ayan. But if you want to know how much the new X4 GT costs, this is a Shopee exclusive guys. There's gonna be an early bird pricing. Naka-sale ito from June 30 onwards at only 15,990 for the 8GB 128 version. Regular price of 18,990. And then the other variant naman, which is the 8GB 256GB, it has an early bird pricing of 17,990 pesos. And ang regular price niya will be 19,990. So kung kagaya ko kayo na looking to upgrade their phone to handle, you know, their phone consumption, then I definitely recommend you look into X4 GT guys. If you want to check out kung ano yung mga insights or reviews ng fans and more on the specs of the new POCO X4 GT, ay ilalagay ko guys yung link sa baba para diretso na kayo sa kanilang official POCO store in Shopee. I-add to cart nyo na lang para ma-catch nyo yung malaking discount sa kanilang early bird pricing. Ayan. So, sana guys, nagustuhan nyo yung review natin ng new POCO X4 GT. And kung meron ako mga na-miss or hindi nabanggit sa ating video, and if you wish to include it on our comparison video with X4 GTs and the X3 GT, just put it on the comment section down below. Thank you guys again so much for watching, and I hope you watch our other videos regarding the other POCO phones, and of course yung ating mga work from home and earning apps online. I will see you again on our next video. Bye!